Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Lensa AI's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Lensa AI's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Lensa application. The official page of Lensa application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the top left corner of the screen. You will end up on the settings page of Lensa. Scroll all the way down to the end and click on delete my data option. From the pop-up, click on delete to confirm deletion of your account. It will delete your account in no time. This is how you can delete your Lensa AI's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.